welcome. We are back. It's been about 4 or 5 days since we installed the package, and we're going to go ahead and pop her open and see if the queen got out. That's what we're checking for today. Shouldn't need to be doing much else in there, but that's where we'll start, and we'll see if we need to add some frames or check to see about the food and stuff like that too. So we're going in.
Okay.
There's some happy bees. This is still pretty full. All right, so I'm gonna set this on here. She gone?
All the candy's gone, and I don't see a queen in there, so.
Still a little blue dot. Can I take this off then?
Yep, that's probably just from when they marked her. So you always keep your frame over top the colony. You check both sides. We always get a marked queen.
Oh, we gotta look for her?
Yeah, and now we're just gonna go through here and look for her, make sure she's actually in here somewhere, and that.
Okay, I'm gonna smoke that a little.
Make sure she's in here so that for some reason she got killed or got lost and never made it back, but seem to be doing okay in here. My guess would be she's on one of these two frames Catherine's getting ready to open up. That's where the majority of the bees are.
There's a lot down there. They're already building that out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look on this side.
There's drones in there, which is good because that's what we need to have the queen mated. So we didn't see her on that one, so we'll pull up the other one. I don't know if you can hear or not, but they got louder. And that just means that we're probably getting closer to the queen.
And in all this time, it's possible she's moving from one frame to the next too, so. Can I move this? Oh, I got her. She's in the bottom right-hand corner. She's in the middle right there. See the blue dot?
You can just barely see her butt right there.
Okay.
Right, so we know she's in there. Right there she is. Every once in a while she makes an appearance. So, alright, that's good. We're going to get her back in. And like Catherine said, they're already starting to draw out that one empty frame on that side, which is awesome. So that means she's going to be laying her eggs in there.
Sorry.
So Catherine's just making sure the spacing is good. Like we talked about last time, the spacing is good between all of them. Since they weren't eating that sugar water, we'll put that back on, let them keep eating away at that, and just make sure that needs to go on first. We're going to leave that sugar water on.
Oh, that's right, sorry.
Make sure the holes are where they can get to it. That might have been the problem. Alright, so we put the sugar water back in there. Putting this riser on just to give it some space. Put the inner cover on. Put the telescoping cover back on. and we're good to go. So you can see Catherine put the queen cage right here. There's still some pheromones on that from the queen, so they're gonna keep working that for a little while. So we'll just leave that sit outside here right next to the opening, and they'll keep doing what bees do.